A sailing demonstration of Brp Gabriela, held by the Philippine Coast Guard at the 25 nautical mile vicinity off the port of Manila, last September 15, 2020. The demonstration activity was witnessed by the Department of National Defense Secretary DELFIN LORENZANA and Philippine Navy Flag Officer in Command, Vice Admiral Giovanni CARLO J. BACORDO, which welcomed by the PCG Commandant, Admiral George V. Sabia Jr. With the collaboration of Director Jacques Brian Davacia, requested the PCG's assistance in the conduct of a sailing demonstration to showcase the capabilities of the Brp Gabriela Silang, OPV 8301, to Secretary Lorenzana and Vice Admiral BACORDO, who are planning on the further modernization of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. The offshore patrol vessel Brp Gabriela Silang, OPV 8301, was built by the ASIA, a well-known aluminum shipbuilding company which is located in France. The said vessel is the largest and most advanced aluminum hull offshore patrol vessel in the world. The vessel is designed to meet the demanding mandates of the PCG on maritime law enforcement, maritime search and rescue, maritime security, maritime safety, and marine environmental protection. It has a length of 84 meters, capable of transporting approximately 500 people at one time. The vessel performs beyond its contractual specification of 20 knots of speed, with a range of 8,000 nautical miles at 15 knots, and it has an endurance of up to 5 weeks of non-stop operations. The vessel has an excellent seakeeping ability and maneuverability, with a comfortable space design.